Yesterday, I had the pleasure of attending the College Merthyr Tudful as A-level students collected their results. What struck me most was the incredible sense of community. Parents, teachers, friends, family, everyone was there, creating this amazing support network. It wasn't just about the results, it was about celebrating personal journeys and achievements. I spoke to several students who shared their stories, some who exceeded their expectations, and others who might not have gotten exactly what they hoped for. But results are just one part of the journey. What matters most is your resilience, passion, and the willingness to keep moving forward. To all the students out there, whether you're celebrating or feeling disappointed, please remember this. Your worth is not defined by a piece of paper. Your potential is limitless, and this is just the beginning of an incredible adventure. While we're on the topic of results, our GCSE students will be collecting their own results soon. I'll be visiting all of our high schools, meeting with our amazing students, and being right there to celebrate their hard work and achievements. I know just how nerve-wracking these moments can be. Trust me. I remember exactly what it felt like for those results many years ago for me. I'm wishing you all the very best of luck. You really have got this. A big shout out to our incredible Lifeline team that have achieved a significant milestone by successfully obtaining the Tech Quality Accreditation from the Tech Services Association, highlighting the team's exceptional commitment to delivering high-quality, technology-enabled care. For a small weekly charge, anyone who may need to summon help quickly or seek advice and reassurance at any time or day or night from anywhere within the home or garden can use a Lifeline unit. In the event of an emergency, just one press of the alarm button will connect you to the control room, where an operator is able to identify who is calling and from where. Our control room is based in a secure office in the Civic Centre, which is manned 24 hours a day, 7 days a week by a team of highly trained members of staff. If you're interested in having some peace of mind for yourself or a loved one, check out our award-winning service on our website. We Love Merthyr's Summer of Fun continues this Friday and Saturday in Merthyr Town Centre with lots of children's entertainment. We have race-o-rama and mini-jets, showground rides, fairground games, giant floor games, balloon modelling, face painting and so much more. And the best thing, it's all free. So, that's all for me this week. Have a great weekend. Enjoy the sunshine. Diolch.